Question is, draw triangle ABC with AB equal to 7 centimeter, angle A equal to 67.5 degree, angle B equal to 15 degree without using protractor. Okay, in order to draw this triangle, two angles given, and it is given that two angles, in order to draw that two angles, you are not supposed to use a protractor. So without protractor means how we will draw? We know only the method to measure the angle, that is by using the protractor. Okay, here they are saying that you are not supposed to use the protractor. Okay, so in order to draw this, we can use the set square. Okay, we can use the set square. Before that, even if we are using the protractor, it is not possible to measure the 67.5 degree, because 67.5 means it is 67.5. okay, in protractor itself it is not possible to measure. So in that case, like the previous problem, we will consider double measurement. Okay, that is 67.5 into 2, that is 135 degree. Okay, 135 degree we will draw first. After drawing the bisector of 135 degree, we will get its half, that is 67.5. Similarly, angle B is 15 degree. That also not possible. So 15 degrees double. 15 degrees double is what? 30 degree. So first we need these two angles. Okay, 135 degree and 30 degree we need. So for that, let's learn about the set squares. We have two set square, isn't it? We have two set squares. In first set square, you can see that both the sides are equal. Okay, you can see both the sides are equal. First is this one. Okay, here one side 7 centimeter, next side also 7 centimeter. That means this we can consider as an isosceles triangle. Okay, as an isosceles triangle we can consider this set square. So here this angle will be 90 degree. The remaining two angles will be equal, that is 45 degree. 180 minus 90 by 2, 45 here, 45 here. So for this set square, 45, 45, 90 is the angles. Now let's consider the second set square like this. Here one is long side and one is short side. Okay, that means it is not isosceles triangle. Okay, now here also this angle will be what? 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree, and these two angles, that means in the longest side, okay, in the longest side angle will be short angle. Short angle means two angles are here, 30 and 60. Okay, it is a rule, 30 and 60 are the angles here. Now which will be 30 degree and which will be 60 degree? So for that, consider the long side. This long side angle will be short angle, that is 30 degree. Okay, now this short side angle will be that angle, that means 60 degree. Okay, so this angle 60 degree, here will be 30 degree. So 30, 60, 90. Okay, now listen, we need 135 degree. Okay, we need 135 degree. Here we have angles in the protractor as what? 45 degree we have, 30 degree we have, 60 we have, and 90 we have. Sum of which all two angles are 135 degree? Sum of which all two angles? That is 90 degree and 45 degree. 90 and 45 is 135 degree. Okay, so for that, first of all, draw a line AB equal to 7 centimeter like this. Okay, now in the next step, using protractor keep like this and draw a 90 degree line here. Okay, just imaginary line is enough, just an imaginary line. Okay, a light line is enough. Okay, like this. Now after that, we got 90 degree here. Okay, in this angle, from this imaginary line to this angle is what? 90 degree. We need 45 degree more, then only angle A will be 135 degree. Okay, so for that, take the same set square. Take the same set square. Here we know this angle is what? 45 degree. So keep the set square like this. Okay, as it touch the point. Okay, keep the set square like this. Okay, then draw a line in this side. Okay, like this. so that it touch this side, sorry, like this. So this complete angle will be what? 135 degree. First we drawn 90 degree, then 45 degree. So the 90 plus 45 total is, this angle is 135 degree. Okay. Next from the angle B we need 15 degree. That means it's double we need to draw, that is 30 degree. So for that let's use second set square. Second square, which angle is 30 degree? Longest edge angle, that is this angle is 30 degree. So keep the set square like this. Okay, keep the set square like this. Okay, then draw line in the long edge. Okay, draw a line in the long edge like this. Okay, so this angle will be what? 30 degree. Okay, so we got 30 degree and 135 degree. Now after that we need to draw the bisectors, then only we will get 67.5 degree and 15 degree. So method is, first of all draw a small arc from the point B using compass. Draw a small arc from the point B like this. Mark the end points, then extend the compass. Then from one end draw one arc, from the next end draw another arc. These two arcs will cross at a common point. Okay, mark that point, then join that point to the point B. Like this you will get. So this bisector divide this angle into two parts, that is 15 degree and 15 degree. So first half 15 degree, second half also 15 degree. Same like this draw bisector of angle A also. First take a small measurement, then draw an angle from the point A, draw an arc from the point A, small arc. Okay, after that extend the compass, just extend the compass. Then from this end these two arcs cross these two lines. So from one end draw one arc, from the next end also draw one arc like this. So these two arcs cross at a common point. Mark that point and join that point to A like this. So this perpendicular bisector divide these angles into two halves, that is this is 67.5 degree. For the second half also 67.5 degree. Now these two bisectors are joined at a common point. That point you can consider as C point. Okay, so this is triangle ABC with AB as 7 centimeter, angle A as 67.5 degree, angle B as 15 degree. So this is the construction. Last question.